on the Disney Magic in room 7008. This is an Oceanview Stateroom. You can see the porthole's a very good size. Has a split bathroom, as do most rooms on board Disney ships. Great big closet here. Lots of drawers. We have our Castaway Club gift there. This room does not connect. There's some extra storage here. Lots of space under the bed to store luggage. There is a pull-down bunk in this room, so it sleeps 4. We've got more storage and a refrigerator right there. And this is the porthole. A nice view of Miami. We are sailing out of the port of Miami today on a 5-night cruise. 5-night double dip. Can't wait. Thanks for watching.